Hello everyone! If you are living under a rock and don't know what the quantum computing stocks are, buckle up. You're probably late to the party, but hey, might as well tell you before it's too late, because the easy money has been made and there's three stocks you need to know about. Number one, QUBT, quantum computing numero uno. And you know why this one's up so much? Because its name is quantum computing. Literally, that's the ticker, QUBT. We started seeing the calls being bought back in mid-December when the stock was under 10 bucks. Now it's $23. And on the penny option scanner, back when it was $5, back in November 20th. The other name you need to know is RGTI. Cheap plug for everyone to get the news flow scanner and penny option scanner. Maybe there'll be a link where you can purchase, then follow these stocks and find them in real time. RGTI, another one. We started seeing this one in late November when it was around 3.5. Now it's a big dog. QUBT just rallied $1, by the way. That's how fast they move. RGTI is now about $11.50. And the last one is QBTS. We started seeing this one again back in November. So let's pull them up on the chart so you degenerate dice rollers who are late to the party can, well, maybe you'll know about them now after, of course, everyone else knows about them in the world. That's kind of mean, isn't it? All right, but there's QUBT. You can see it's pretty vertical. So back in November, the stock was around 7 bucks, 23 bucks. And when I say it just rallied $1, when I was talking, literally, it's pretty crazy to see, but I mean, that's what these stocks are. And remember, the short sellers like Citron came out and tried shorting these stocks today. This is like their third time in the past couple weeks, and obviously they're going broke, right? Go short and go broke. And the last one, QBTS, under $1 to now, $10 or so. So what do you do with them? Do you say, well, Lance, why are you telling me now? Do I buy them? I don't know. Do they look toppy? Sure. Will they probably go up another lots of amounts? Probably, because everyone keeps shorting them. There's also IONQ, but this one's already popular. You might have heard this one on CNBC, so obviously it's too late to the party now because, you know, the mainstream media already has been telling you about it, so that one won't go up. But that's the video. That's it. No, just kidding. We're going to go over some of the books that we have. NVIDIA, you had your breakdown yesterday of support. If you go back to the NVIDIA video I did about a week or so ago, congrats, probably made some good money. We broke support, so all the sell stops got hit. And then what do we do right after support gets broken and everyone gets out of their longs? Of course, the stock's going to bounce to give people FOMO to buy. Shares are trading right up to the 9 EMA, just a heads up there. So probably a good spot to re-enter short. GameStop, had a lot of fun with this one. The Roaring Kitty, it's definitely him buying calls again. This one was good. But one thing to keep an eye on, and I mentioned this in the option pit, a private Telegram channel today I have, is implied vol is still juiced up, actually higher than it was on earnings because of the kitty man. So GameStop, I would probably do short dated calls once you see flow hit on the scanners. But besides that, you know, you might just have to close your eyes. And man, more QUBT calls. Literally, these just hit 3 minutes ago. These hit 3 minutes before that. And then MSTR, this one has been a dirty dog, even though they got added to the NASDAQ, because the Michael Saylor, remember his media pump where he did it, where the stock went over 500, then everyone bought up in here, so then they all got stopped out. Now, if you're long, you are literally walking on eggshells, because once it breaks the support, you probably get a 275 print. So run for the hills, be scared. You probably already are, especially if you did MSTX. You know, it's even down more, over 100 or over 50% off the highs. But this one, I think you could day trade it or trade it like on a Wednesday, Thursday for Friday expiration options. Besides that, it's very difficult unless you're doing spreads. But one thing to keep in mind is look at spot Bitcoin, basically made new highs yesterday, and MSTR is obviously lagging very badly. So in my opinion, if you're a crypto bro, I think I would be scared if you're a crypto bro right now, but the cleanest way to play the crypto Bitcoin is just obviously doing the ETF, like the IBIT, it's the iShares ETF. If the market keeps squeezing, Bitcoin will keep going up. If the market gets a little shaky, the Bitcoin and risky asset classes will decline. But that's why it's always good to buy insurance before you need it. In the spot VIX, we saw that 50-cent trader doing the Feb 30-60 bull call spread, a cheap way for about 55 cents or so to hedge your book if you're a permabull long, kind of like I am. But you also need to make note that, hey, stocks do go down eventually. They don't only go up. And you do have the bonds starting to fall back into support. The big bond, long bond, TLT, if you don't want to do the bond futures, back here at support. So maybe you get a bounce in bonds, equities take a fall, VIX takes a spike, GameStop probably goes up because it's basically the new VIX. It's pretty wild, GameStop, the way it trades. And that's all. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. I look at the comments because I have them on my cell phone. And remember, you will not find me on any social media. No TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Beware of post office scams. I'll never ask for crypto money or Amazon gift cards.